Let's talk about iPhone. iPhone has forever changed the world. Every single day, people rely on iPhone, from their most demanding tasks to capturing the moments of their lives, streaming their favorite TV shows, playing their favorite games, staying up to date with the news of the world, and connecting with friends and loved ones. This is what drives us to create the best iPhone possible. To create an experience unlike any other, with legendary ease of use, beautiful and durable designs, with water resistance and great battery life.
We live in a mobile-first world, and you deserve the ultimate mobile experience. This year, we want to give you something different, a giant leap forward, to empower you to express yourself and live your life exactly how you want. I am so proud to introduce our new flagship device, the Galaxy S21. Designed for how you live today, but loaded with the innovation of tomorrow. Galaxy S21 is groundbreaking on all fronts. It has an iconic, boundary-defying design that will turn heads. The fastest chip ever for Galaxy, together with our most complete software and user experience. And an epic camera, far beyond anything we've made before. So good that it makes everyone look like a pro.
Let's take a closer look at iPhone 13, starting with design. It has the sleek, flat-edge design that people love. It's also incredibly durable with our exclusive ceramic shield front, tougher than any smartphone glass, and has industry-leading IP68 water resistance. iPhone 13 has a new look for the advanced dual camera system with the lenses arranged diagonally. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is beautifully formed and really shows off 5 new colors: an all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red. On the front, the TrueDepth camera system has been re-engineered to provide more display area. Everything inside, including Face ID, the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone, fits into a space that's 20% smaller. iPhone 13 is designed with the environment in mind, using many recycled materials. For example, these antenna lines use upcycled plastic water bottles, an industry first. Under the hood, iPhone 13 has been completely re-architected to make room for new technologies and a bigger battery. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Both feature a more advanced Super Retina XDR display. It's 28% brighter, up to 800 nits, brilliant for viewing even when you're outside. For HDR content like photos and videos, the peak brightness is higher at 1200 nits. And you can enjoy the pixel precision brightness for longer thanks to the display's improved power efficiency. You'll see true blacks in games, photos, and videos with the incredible contrast ratio of our OLED display. This new brighter Super Retina XDR display delivers an immersive viewing experience with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG.
We created a revolutionary new photo and video experience with incredible enhancements in our camera technology. That much innovation requires a fresh new design to match. And that's why the S21 series looks like nothing you've ever seen before. We've created a contra-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and your phone's design is stylish and seamless. Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will catch people's attention everywhere you go, with their elegant frames, contra-cut cameras, and bold metal housing. And we've created color combinations that stand out. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. We give you different options to fit your unique style. These devices are designed to open up a world of extraordinary new experiences, starting with their stunning, world-class displays. After all, the display is one of the most important parts of any smartphone. We use it to chat with our friends and watch movies that make us laugh. No matter how great a phone's design or camera is, you need an amazing display to get the most from your device. At Samsung, we are the industry leader in brilliant displays, providing the best viewing experience on Galaxy devices with edge-to-edge AMOLED screens. We invested in AMOLED screens from the very beginning, giving you a more vivid viewing experience than LCD screens. Last year, we introduced a super smooth viewing experience on our S20 devices with the 120 Hz display. When you use a phone that smooth, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
Now let's talk about the chip that powers iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Frankly, the competition is still playing catch-up to our chips, not just from last year, but even from 2 years ago. And today, we're extending our lead with A15 Bionic. Here's Hope to tell you all about it.
Our silicon is the engine of iPhone. With A15 Bionic, we have innovations across the entire system to deliver more performance and power efficiency. At its foundation, A15 uses 5nm technology, which enables us to include nearly 15 billion transistors. You'll absolutely fly through demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, thanks to a powerful new 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency cores. We've increased the performance of our CPU's dedicated machine learning accelerators that power experiences such as advanced text-to-speech in Siri and on-device processing of directions in Maps. It's the fastest CPU in any smartphone, up to 50% faster than the leading competition. For graphics-intensive tasks like advanced games, A15 Bionic features our latest 4-core GPU, enabling more eye-catching visuals and lighting effects. It delivers up to 30% faster graphics versus the leading competition.
All of these amazing camera capabilities, from portraits and selfies to single-take and director's view, are powered by the fastest chipset in a Galaxy device. We've engineered our chipset to give you more speed, more energy efficiency, and more possibilities. At 5nm, this chip represents the most significant leap in our chip performance ever, and that starts with the CPU. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And we've adopted ARM architecture to significantly increase our overall chipset speed, giving you the power to reach 20 tera operations per second. That means the S21 series can process graphics and AI faster than any other Galaxy device.
A15 Bionic also powers the amazing camera system on iPhone 13. It combines our powerful cameras, next-generation image signal processor, and computational photography to create our most advanced dual camera system. The all-new wide camera lets you take stunning shots in any situation, like this photo, full of color and texture. It gathers 47% more light for less noise and brighter results in your photos and videos. This is enabled by larger 1.7 micron pixels that capture more light and a wide f1.6 aperture. It's the biggest sensor we've ever put in our dual camera system. iPhone 12 Pro Max introduced an amazing advanced technology, sensor shift optical image stabilization. And incredibly, we are bringing this to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Here's a low-light photo from the new wide camera with sensor shift OIS. The larger sensor captures nearly 50% more light. Hard to believe this photo was taken in a dark room with just a little light coming through a window. Night mode shots are even more impressive. Capture times are shorter too, for sharper images of your subjects and fine details. We've also custom designed a new ultra-wide camera that will reveal more of the dark areas with less noise, like you see here in the walls and ceilings. Capturing fun, creative perspectives is easy with the ultra-wide, and now it's even better on iPhone 13.
With the Galaxy S21 series, you can capture, keep, and relive the moments that matter with pro-like photo and video quality. Thanks to AI, this pro-grade camera does all the thinking for you. It knows how to adjust its settings to give you the brightest, most natural photos with 3 lenses that render your memories crisp and clear. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. And it's all possible with the computing power of Galaxy S21's brand new processor. I end up taking lots of photos when I go on trips, but the pictures I come back to most aren't landscapes or scenery. They're portraits of people I care about. My friends goofing off, or my sisters enjoying a night out. And the higher the quality of these images, the more it feels like they're in the room with me. With the combination of our new chipset and photo-enhancing AI capabilities, S21 and S21 Plus capture every detail and provide you with more natural and vivid portraits than ever before. The portrait experience on S21 series is simply amazing. These new devices will automatically separate the subjects from their backgrounds to bring depth and focus to your photos. And the intelligent camera on S21 and S21 Plus enhances the natural bokeh effect, whether in broad daylight or in the dark, so you can capture beautiful portraits under the stars. The S21 series has various portrait modes that accentuate the subject and make them pop. Our new devices even detect the direction of light to help you capture studio-quality portraits. With Studio Mode, AI adjusts the lighting to create perfect portraits that look crisp and natural. High-key or low-key mono modes round out your photo, and you can even have AI select matching colors to automatically create a stunning backdrop. We know you love the portraits you take of friends and family, including your pets. They deserve the best quality portraits too. The S21 series captures amazing portraits of your 4-legged friends using AI to save every detail. Portraits are a great way to take gorgeous photos of the people and pets we love. But sometimes, I want to snap a shot of another important person, me. Selfies are how I show the world my best looks and how I bring my friends into my favorite moments. With AI-based face enhancement, you can enjoy high-quality selfies anytime, anywhere. Using a super smart image signal processor and advanced multi-frame processing, the camera makes your selfies look their absolute best. And when you're taking a selfie, the lighting is so important, right? With enhanced auto white balance, S21 and S21 Plus ensure your natural skin tone will be reflected in any lighting condition, even extremely warm or colorful lighting, without sacrificing the realness of your photo. Social media helps us connect with others and express ourselves. And sometimes when we want to share a picture, it's just easier to use a camera that's built into our favorite apps. We've been working closely with our partners to make the awesome visual experience from our Galaxy devices available on their apps. Now, the AI solution on S21 and S21 Plus gives you an incredible visual experience in most third-party camera apps like Instagram and Snapchat. With these upgrades, the S21 series will help you take and post the best pictures possible.
iPhone 13 still starts at just $699. We also have some fantastic offers from Apple and our partners, including up to $700 off in the US when you trade in a qualifying iPhone. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes for double the storage and adding a new 512 gigabyte option.
S21 will be available starting at $799 and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th. S21 and S21 Plus are breakthroughs in smartphone technology. They have an intelligent refresh rate, 4 cutting-edge camera lenses, and performance powered by a secure processor to keep you more connected to everything you care about.